to reversal on the up Southport line behind position light signal Mike Lima 1087. Our train is departing from Southport Platform 2. The platform starting signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 122 with position light. Maximum speed 10 miles per hour. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. To your left is the marker for 3-car train reversal.